If you like the content on our YouTube channel, please subscribe, hit the like button, turn on the notifications, and we'll post daily videos of new incoming inventory. This is the fastest way to see what we have coming in. We post at least 1 or 2 videos on our social media and YouTube a day to show you the types of vehicles we have coming in, all makes, all models, foreign and domestic. Right now you're looking at a 2021 Kia Sorento. This is a freshwater flood damage vehicle. As you can see, the engine compartment is completely clean. Just some dust, no rust, no corrosion, no signs of water. The headlights, no condensation in headlights. You know, you can see that there was a water here, maybe somewhere around here or midway up the bumper. Doesn't look too bad. Vehicle is definitely not submerged. You would see it clearly. So right now we are thinking whether we're going to build this vehicle or not. Looks like a good candidate for a builder because everything powered up inside. The interior is dry. Carpets were not damp. Body's very clean. We'll take a look inside in a minute. I know it started right up also, but we don't leave them running until we go through them and make sure everything is dry and the contacts are clean. So right now, we have a nice leather interior. You have the panoramic sunroof, folding captain's chairs, 7-passenger. Smells new in here. Right now I don't see any signs of water in the interior. You can see no rust in the seat tracks, no rust or corrosion there. Really clean inside. I bet my bottom dollar on this that no water got inside this vehicle. Definitely not. I mean, it does happen where the insurance companies misassess these vehicles, especially with a catastrophic event like this, where there's over 30,000 vehicles that were damaged in a storm. I'm not saying that they're all good, but there's a lot of good ones that come out of these situations. This is one of them. When they're bad, they're bad. When they're good, they're good. You take the good with the bad. Like seat tracks, no rust, no corrosion. Carpet is completely dry. No water line. No rust anywhere. Really nice. I think we're gonna go all the way with this one. As soon as we do, I'll post it on the website. Pricing, mileage, title type. We offer financing on the vehicles that we repair. You have to have good credit. The bank does give good rates if you have good credit. Anyhow, thanks for watching.